Many people confuse Ethereum with Bitcoin, and some individuals confuse the terms Ethereum, Bitcoin, and blockchain. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online smartly. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. Vitalik Buterin is a Russian-Canadian programmer and cryptocurrency researcher who conceived of the Ethereum concept in 2013 and saw it through to completion in 2015. The simplest and most straightforward description of Ethereum is that it is made up of two parts: software and platform. What distinguishes Ethereum from other software platforms is that it is built on the blockchain. The blockchain is a record of data kept on networks of computers that are distinguished by three pillars: decentralization, transparency, and immutability. Cryptopreneurs join this network for a variety of reasons, both professional and personal. Other reasons to not only earn free Ethereum but also learn how to actively trade ETH include the following. You can commit to smart contracts, which are highly safe and auditable. Short selling advantages allow you to sell even during a low market period. Leverage margin in trading Ethereum is high, so you enjoy high profits from trades. Ethereum, like Bitcoin, has tremendous potential. With all of the scalabilities, perhaps everyone will ultimately understand how viable the Ethereum network is becoming. For example, just 3 years ago, the value was $160 and now it is about $190. People can decide whether or not to invest in currencies and whether or not they can profit from them in the crypto realm. In today's video, we will show you our top selections for easy yet legal ways to earn free Ethereum that don't need you to risk your life. The first method for obtaining free Ethereum is to use faucets. An Ethereum faucet is a website or software that allows you to register your wallet address, enter a CAPTCHA, and be rewarded for doing so. These websites take advantage of the opportunity to increase their traffic and profits. Ethereum faucets typically have a lot of traffic, which allows them to advertise for larger companies. It is also a way to spread the news about such businesses, as well as Ethereum in general. In other words, they are rewarded for the work you perform for them. Here are some other examples of popular Ethereum faucets: Ethereum-faucet.org, altcoins.pw, free Ethereum spinner, speedup-faucet.com. Ethereum faucets are a fair way to learn how trading works without the danger. Albeit they don't always pay you enough to make a big profit. What are Ethereum faucets and how do they work? To begin, keep in mind that these websites are crammed with advertisements of all kinds, including scrolling, banner, and pop adverts. In essence, you earn the right to view the promotions, and they hope that you would like one, click on it, and purchase it. You don't have to, which is a good thing. When you finish the work and earn free Ethereum, they are sent to your micro wallet right away. You can store tiny quantities of coins in an Ethereum micro wallet before transferring them to your main wallet. When someone creates an account on the Ethereum platform, a micro wallet is created automatically. They also have a maximum number of coins they can retain, after which Ether will be sent to the user's main wallet. If you choose to link your macro wallet directly to the faucet, however, the Ether gained via the faucet will eventually be lost. Moving on, mining is another option to get money with Ethereum. When it comes to mining, Ethereum is the most essential and profitable icon. When it comes to mining, Ethereum is the most essential and profitable coin. When the Ethereum blockchain was launched in 2016, mining became available. Today, crypto mining is experiencing a comeback thanks in large part to Ethereum. You can mine free Ethereum using a computer, a wallet, and software. Miners or blockchain participants carry out mining, which entails fact-checking transactions made within the network. Free coins are awarded to the first miner who successfully completes the check of a new block. The main problem is that mining computations are quite complex and large, necessitating the use of the computer. These numbers are solved by the machine using hashes. Another way to make money with Ethereum is through airdrops. An airdrop is a blockchain startup that aims to give out free tokens. Why do blockchain projects, on the other hand, give away free cryptocurrencies? It appears that the goal is to build a devoted community by rewarding users' loyalty. What are airdrops and how do they work? There are two types of cryptocurrency holdings. The first is when consumers hold the cryptocurrency for a specific period of time. They take a snapshot of the entire blockchain to see who is holding what and give out a fraction of what they have. The second type of airdrop is used to replace initial coin offerings or ICOs. Google and Facebook banned cryptocurrency marketing, particularly initial coin offers or ICOs in 2017. Only the United States and Japan were exempted from the restriction after a year. ICOs were used to promote crypto projects via advertisements. However, because advertisements are prohibited on these social media platforms, users are paid to spread the message. That is, you do not need to own any cryptocurrency to obtain tokens. All you have to do now is complete the steps required for airdrops. Follow them on Twitter, for example. What are the best places to look for airdrops? You may visit airdrop.io to explore all of the existing and upcoming blockchain projects. Buying and selling is another option. Buying and selling Ethereum also entails trading digital assets. When the market is in your favor, you can buy Ether and sell it for a better price. Trading ETH and other cryptocurrencies have very little difference. You will need coins, a wallet, and a trading platform to get started. What is Ethereum trading and how does it work? On a cryptocurrency trading platform, create an account and a wallet. Buy Ether from any reputable vendor. Platforms usually safeguard both the buyer and the seller to ensure that no one is taken advantage of. Following the purchase, you may wish to keep the coins in your wallet for a period of time to allow the value to increase. You can sell your Ether to another user if the stated rate is good. Ethereum can be staked and lent through interest accounts as well. In this example, interest refers to the cost of borrowing anything. You can convert your portfolio to an interest account if you are already trading. The term staking and lending is a bit of a mouthful. The crypto trading company with which you have an account can borrow money from you and reimburse it with a higher rate of interest. What is the difference between Ethereum lending and staking? You must be a member of the platform to which you are lending. Furthermore, you must have a significant sum of money in your account to stake. If you have both, you can request that a portion of your Ether be deposited into the company's account. The method entails accepting the terms set forth by the website. When the earned interest and original sum are reimbursed, a specific time frame is chosen. Here are a few finance platforms you can work with: Crypto.com, BlockFi, and Nexo. Using crypto bounties is another option to earn from Ethereum. This technique of earning free Ethereum is named after the bounties of the Wild West, and it motivates crypto community members to complete various tasks. Following the accomplishment of the required tasks, tokens are awarded. Bounty programs allow anyone to earn Ethereum for free. Participants assist firms with various marketing activities. This is normally done prior to the end of the token sale. So what are crypto bounties and how do they work? Typically, a pool of tokens is set aside for bounties from various projects, with a percentage of that set aside for each sort of campaign. There are two ways they can split it up. One is the more traditional option, which is a fiat fee, in which a fixed sum is awarded for each activity stated. The second is a concept known as stakes, which has gotten a lot better and more popular in recent months. You will be given stakes based on the quality and sort of job you have accomplished, as well as your rewards. To earn free Ethereum coins through bounties, follow these steps. Search for existing bounties on Bitcoin Talk, choose a project you like, choose and perform bounty tasks, track your activity, verify results on a spreadsheet, join the Telegram channel for announcements, receive tokens. There are a variety of tasks to do and what the scores depends on, and some of them are Bitcoin Talk signature. Need to be certain member level, blog post or video, quality plus a number of views, translation, website, ANN thread, white paper. Social media, if you are an influencer, bug bounty, coding experts. You can also earn free Ethereum by introducing people to cryptocurrency websites if you are excellent at persuasion. Links are used in referral schemes to recruit new members. You get a share of what your friends or family trade on these sites when they sign up. So what are referral programs and how do they work? Basically, you use a referral link to invite people, and when they register and start trading on the platform, a percentage of their earnings is deposited into your account. Crypto trading platforms have different needs. If free Ethereum sounds like something you'd be interested in, this review is a great place to start. However, keep in mind that while receiving free Ethereum adds to your existing cryptocurrency, the total benefit may be minimal. So everyone, that is it for today's video. And if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments box below. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon again.